No. Wrapped toward the hole and through. Dozier scores. Mauer behind him. Suzuki has driven in two. Another clutch 2-out hit. And the Twins jump out on top.
Well, I got the count in his favor. Bedard fell behind, and it's only fitting that you walk 3 in an inning. You should get hurt. And that's